In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to increase the undo send cancellation period up to 30s. This simple tweak in Gmail can save you from those oops moments, like catching a typo, adding a missing attachment, or stopping an email you sent too quickly. Undo send doesn't retrieve a message from someone's inbox. Instead, it delays sending for a short window so you can pull it back before it actually goes out. Start by opening Gmail in your web browser and signing in. Once you're in your inbox, look to the top right and click the gear icon to open Quick Settings. From there, choose See All Settings to access the full settings page. You'll land on the General tab by default, which is exactly where we need to be. Scroll down the General tab until you find the section labeled Undo Send. Next to Send Cancellation Period, click the drop-down menu. You'll see 4 options: 5, 10, 20, and 30 seconds. Select 30 seconds to give yourself the maximum window to cancel a message after you hit send. Keep in mind this setting introduces a brief delay to all outgoing emails, which is what makes the undo button possible. If you prefer a shorter wait in the future, you can always come back and choose a different value. After choosing 30 seconds, scroll all the way to the bottom of the page and click Save Changes. Gmail will refresh and your new setting takes effect right away. Here's how it works in practice. The next time you send an email, look near the bottom of the screen for a small confirmation bar. You'll see a message indicating the email was sent, along with an undo option. With the cancellation period set to 30 seconds, that undo option stays available for the full half minute. If you catch something and click undo during that time, Gmail will reopen the message as a draft so you can fix it and send again. If you do nothing, the message will go out automatically once the countdown ends. A couple of quick tips to keep in mind. Because undo send is a send delay, it won't pull back a message that's already been delivered. Your safety net is the time window you configure here. Also, the setting applies to your Gmail account in the browser and you can revisit it anytime if your needs change. That's all there is to it. By setting the send cancellation period to 30 seconds, you give yourself a reliable buffer to correct mistakes before your message leaves your outbox. Thanks for watching, and enjoy emailing with a little more peace of mind.